What's up, guys? I want some Kool-Aid in here. Unboxing my Lockerz shirt. I just got in the mail today, and yeah, I took it out the package because I didn't know what it is. And here's a packaging slip, the order form. Cross that out because I don't want you guys seeing my my mailing address. And I got a sticker, and it's some form like congrats Zeoster. Fuck that. And here's my shirt. And just wait. I can't unbox this one. I'll say it looks pretty good. I've been waiting for this for like 2 months now. And here it is. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I'm videotaping my iPhone, that's why. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Thanks Lockerz, and what do you call it? I'm getting my DJ Hero game that I got from December restocking like next week. I'm gonna make an unboxing on that too, so stay tuned. If you guys want to invite Lockerz, just private message me or something. Alright, see you.